quit screwing around and start!
Alright, we're starting the next game.
Yeah, especially year one Konata.
Okay, we're just gonna start. I'm gonna go first here. How come I've opened with this? I just want a mulligan so bad. Set 5, go.
What is this? This is
Actually, you set 4 in one monster.
If you summon Denko, my fist will go across the
Yes,
screen of
because
the
you know
camera.
how many Denkos I own.
Dude, everyone knows that. Denko,
Along with how many Castells and...
hey, Denko Samurai is best deck.
Yeah, it's not like I play an array of back row myself.
Look at that.
You needed.
No.
That's fine.
Ayamusha?
Yes.
Kizan.
Yes.
United.
Oh wait, is that Kizan? I'm gonna chain the Kizan. Torrential.
Okay.
Because I can't deal with the Barkion right now. Yeah, you can get your United. I cannot deal with the Barkion with this bad of a hand.
I'm sure you can.
No. That's double-edged sword. I don't know what that card is. My turn?
How'd you... Did you look or something?
No, I can tell. My turn? Because your deck likes
Yeah. No, it didn't like that
Thank you.
first duel.
you. No, it didn't.
Oh yeah.
Don't change space. Don't
yeah.
change space. Oh, thank gods.
Thank the gods.
Thank the gods.
What?
Um,
The Yugi Decipher gods.
The Yugi gods have
Fair.
smiled upon me.
dang it! I don't know how to deal with Barkion.
Get Rekt Son. Get Rekt Son.
Attack with bear.
Rekt Son. Don't do it.
Compulse.
Get Rekt Son. 3D.
I do not know what to do. Yeah, it's your turn.
Where's the plot?
Alright,
One fellow. Basically. I'm super hyped for this card.
I knew it. I called it. I called it. I knew that. Oh my god.
See, this is what Konami does. They're like, they don't want Gateway to come back, so right when I say, please bring back Gateway, they let me draw good.
They let you figure out why you shouldn't. Well, you don't need it. You don't need it. You don't need it.
Need a rest.
Oh good gosh. What
Uh,
does Barkion even do? I don't know what Barkion does.
Banish 2, negate a trap.
yeah.
Okay.
What did you just do?
So yeah,
What did you make him?
thing for
That's just what happened.
just what I find.
We're gonna try and activate chain. And it's any 2 cards.
Yep, any 2 cards.
Classic.
Ugh!
Just
Heart failure.
It was
those
You
two
just chain
away.
like Duty Crow or something?
No, it's chain. I thought it was monsters.
What?
Barkion's giving me cancer.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Any
Any
2
other
cards.
character Had really probably would have gotten so
I
ready.
gotta stop weighing on my shoulder because it's gonna kill me.
Rekt Son.
Ow.
Alright, you guys, this is why Barkion's annoying. Is this game 3?
And,
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
I got
it's
beat so fast that game too.
oh,
It was my fault.
Who was?
Sonic Kageki,
Mm-hmm.
Sonic Kizon,
Yep.
17,
Mirror Force.
Barkion.
Mirror Force.
Barkion.
I can't do another Barkion on that.
Yes! I have 1 card in hand, but I live!
Where?
Okay.
That looks absolutely.
I'm a little too excited about that, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I went -5 for that, so
minus a bit.
a little bit. There.
Yeah,
Poke.
yeah.
17 and
The only
tanky.
duels gives
Yeah.
me, so I can use it.
Tanky effect. Oh, it's time to tip the scales.
Now Konami is thinking, okay,
Now we gotta make the wind-up players think that they don't need their carrier back.
yeah.
We gotta piece them both.
It's gonna get really cool.
But don't worry, Necros, you can keep all
You
3
can
of
keep all your
everything.
cards.
Yeah.
Your turn.
I'm just Stardust Dragon Ghost Rare.
No, an actual Ghost Ray Stardust.
Single tier. After, wait, what? Oh, that's Will's.
Smash Deal.
Will's got ulti JDs.
Will's got max rarity license.
Take it.
I
And then
love,
there's common nibble, but
I love providing
Yeah,
20 seconds.
16.
Both of you were like, how did you
Fire
get
Nation's
this?
spell, right, Cal?
Yeah, that's
Yep.
Oh, wait, whoops.
First
You know, I've got all of them.
No,
I got Kyoku, I got
Really
Tensen, I got
Apple deck is beautiful.
Tensu.
This thing destroys you if you take too long. It's awesome.
16.
I've never seen it.
Yeah.
This being done with, I think, Luigi.
Maybe.
Somewhere
Alright.
I just like
My
shot
turn.
fireballs.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of like, oh, it's Fox.
That's the
Oh yeah,
Laser.
fuck with the blaster.
Oh,
I know, right? Oh, it's so cool.
Yeah.
Burns.
It's like the best ghost. Oh yeah, Rick, have you seen this?
Is that honest? Well, that's cool.
Purin.
Purin! Normal summon rat.
Purin.
That's it, yes.
Yeah.
Reveal shark.
Yeah.
Rat effect to defense.
Yeah.
Special summon warrior.
Oh yeah.
And
with
now we're
the
back to
way
no
better.
giveaway.
Warrior effect on rat. 2 level 4s.
Oh, wait, so right now we're on no gateways. No,
No.
now we're on.
I'm gonna do
no character.
Warrior and shark overlay, I think.
It's so beautiful.
You gain back 1,000 at the standby phase, right?
Yep, I did.
Okay.
Direwolf?
Yeah.
Direwolf, detach shark, target rat, target stand steel.
Dude.
Can I get bareback?
Yeah, he's carved for a good year.
Attack for 18.
It's
Yeah.
not max rarity.
Set a Tenki. Attack for 2,000.
Yeah.
Main phase 2 Tenki.
I
For
didn't even notice until he came in on Monday and tried to do me. I was like, oh, there's no rarity.
bear.
Yeah.
And there's a good chance you wouldn't even notice
Looks like it's last one.
He wouldn't though, dang it. I mean, he might if he drew it, but he doesn't draw cards like that. Your turn. Just the way he plays.
Yeah, you could have.
I put it hurt.
No.
I would have been slightly upset if you played max rarity last one. I felt bad for Ethan not even winning it against the kid.
The kid did have an actual starter deck though.
Yeah. Well, technically he had the dragons, or the blue eyes white.
He had 3 of that structure deck. He just didn't put
He
it
had 2
together.
of it. What was weird is he didn't seem to have a second Silver's Cry. I couldn't find it.
Yeah, I know,
I
right?
didn't look hard enough.
He expanded the
But
dome.
I'm pretty sure it's in there. But
I don't think there's a way I can win this.
God dang it, I'm moving. I can't move.
just stay away
Oh
from
no,
it.
it's Rick. Is that Ricky?
Yeah.
Kill him.
Ricky!
Ricky.
Ricky!
Kills the bones in the cab.
What is Ricky doing?
Oh shoot, he's got the. What's he always got the power?
I think Ricky's
This
done.
is just really unnecessary.
Get the club.
Nope. I don't need it. I don't need it. Oh, son.
I did not know that was a pit.
Double edged.
Yeah, that's
Most
fine.
items in this game.
No.
Get it there.
They are?
Yeah,
Or
Sakurai.
enemies in Smash Run.
Sakurai
90%
has.
of them are competitors.
Sakurai is really good at taking things from games he's already made. Like a lot of the Smash Bros. Stuff
Assassin.
and music is from
Yeah.
Kirby games.
Yeah, I noticed.
Pull that film.
Because Sakurai's baby is
Stands the
Kirby.
dome.
That way he can spend more time making this game HD.
Oh yeah. Wait.
I need to trade for one versus the Dragons.
Let's get a fox if it's this with a
You gave me both versus the Dragon.
In that.
Oh,
In that.
yeah.
If I have these 3 on the field, do the Keyzones get the attack boost or they?
Yeah, they do. They get the attack boost.
And then summon another Keyzone.
Oh, so
Yeah,
much.
it was all about the answer. Alright.
So.
What do you mean you don't think you could win?
Well, I forgot I could get attack boost, but even so, you still summon a bear next turn regardless.
I wanna roll.
I've been popping
What the-
one
okay,
card.
that was the way.
So.
Looking for those.
Direwolf doesn't get boost, right? He's not Beast Warrior.
Nope, no boost
Okay.
for him.
So 100.
And he just said he
That's a
doesn't think he
really
can win.
interesting card that I wanted to test but didn't get a chance to.
That's 200?
Yeah, this is
Oh, I'm
19.
done.
Yeah.
It's actual Monster Reborn.
And 18.
Chest man.
See, that's great.
And 21. Guns.
What the?
Get wrecked.
Okay. Phase 2.
Oh, I can't cowboy.
That'd just be rude.
Yeah.
Wait, what happened to the Pokemon?
It'd be what samurais are supposed to do, but can't at the moment.
I wish I'd have been able to swap these out most of the day, but I couldn't find them, so I didn't put them in the side deck.
Like that one not foil tanky.
Wait, 150.
You can't, they always, this high of a level will dodge it every time. No. Alright.
Alright, so judging by your field and what I see in your graveyard, you're playing Fire Fist.
Yeah.
Okay.
3 tanky and a bear.
Wait, did he just die? God dang it. This is trophies though.
Well, you guys are gonna be dead anyways, so you gotta make it into something. The question is, what do I want to make you into?
Stage still.
I kicked him into it, it's totally legit.
One of these two.
Me.
Here goes that.
Oh.
Yeah.
People side and
Cowboy.
Alright, the end to do that 800. Alright,
Here we go.
I don't know what I can draw here. That was definitely not what I should have drawn. I literally can't win now.
That's in Spanish.
No, I can do something.
Yep.
We're lying this game. We're
Summon bear?
saying you can't do something, but then doing something.
Because I forgot. I can attack this turn too.
Yes.
So, attack Zanji for 100.
Manji.
You can destroy keys if you want to.
Yeah, I don't know if it'll really make it.
And then main phase 2. Pop Tenki, pop Cowboy.
Shit, totally good.
We are both at 2,400 life points right now.
Alright.
Your move.
God dang it.
Oh, dog.
I can't. You want me to grab it?
Wait,
Can you
Alright.
push
let's
up?
use the bacon.
Yep.
Or the one hammer.
What is that, Ricky?
There
Ricky!
you go.
Wait, how many people said that?
Everybody.
Goyo attack.
What's the
1,000.
difference? 1,000? And then you get them.
Super.
Yep.
Here you go.
Draw.
I would never. I'm not strong enough. Oh, shoot.
I'll beat into starting.
Hunter?
Yeah.
Kill the bear. Set a card, go. Ricky!
The most interesting.
Yeah.
Attack.
You like chicken? Because I like chicken.
Combo summon.
Oh, yeah.
My turn.
Yeah.
Space. Summon. Game.
Get Rekt Son.
Alright, you guys, we're gonna do bulk profiles like
Well,
normal.
that proves
See ya!
that- Wait.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and make sure to comment down below. If you want to watch our other channels, click the jellyfish to watch Blue play games such as Binding of Isaac Rebirth, or click the butterfly to view our new channel where I will talk about random anime, gaming, or silly top 10 topics. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a wonderful day. Yeah.